affixation of FASTag. Clean the vehicle's windshield surface from inside the vehicle using water. Don't paste FASTag on dirty or wet glass surface. Let the surface dry before installation. See recommended positions for installation of the FASTag. Remove the release liner of self-adhesive FASTag. Affix the self-adhesive side of the FASTag from inside the vehicle. Press the sticker gently on the windshield. Keep the adhesive side facing outward. Press gently on the corners of the FASTag so that it is completely in contact with the windshield. Please note that after installing the FASTag, do not try to remove or reposition it. It may permanently damage the tag. If the original adhesive is insufficient, get the FASTag replaced. Don't use any supplementary adhesive. Here are the recommended positions of FASTag installation on various vehicles. Cars and light motor vehicles. The following image indicates the recommended areas for FASTag installation on windshields of cars and light motor vehicles. Trucks with two-part windshield. The following image indicates the recommended areas for FASTag installation on trucks with two-part windshields. Trucks with one-part windshield. The following image indicates the recommended areas for FASTag installation on trucks with one-part windshield. Make FASTag your way of life.